We're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool things at the show. Now brought me to the InstaTrim booth. For those times where we need to go and put a little bit of a kind of a silicone finished edge, but we're not too confident with that tube. We've got a solution for you here. Kirk, tell us a little bit more about InstaTrim.
Well, InstaTrim is a permanent flexible trim solution. It can take the place of a silicone caulk that you just mentioned, or it can go places where you normally wouldn't. We've had an enormous amount of success with flooring applications where there is a floating wood floor and there's always a gap between the trim, and InstaTrim fits that application perfectly. And it makes a perfect bead all along. It can replace quarter round in that application as well. We also have some great success in areas where you have two paint schemes coming together, and a lot of times you can't paint that at a nice even line.
Exactly.
So InstaTrim makes a perfect bead in that application as well.
So the hotel I'm staying at here during the hardware show, we need to sell them some of this because their paint edges at the top are not very nice, and that looks so much better what you guys have got there in that demonstration.
In my hotel too.
Yeah, so we're going to be busy after this video's done. We're going back to our hotels to talk about that. Now, Kirk, colors. There's a variety of different colors available?
Yes. Here's our colors. Our biggest seller is white, but obviously ivory, light brown, dark brown, gray, and black. And then we have a quarter round application. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a convex as opposed to a concave. Yep. So it has a little bit of a round on the corners. And then this is a brand new SKU for us. It is a 3/4 inch wide. We've just kicked this off this year, and we can't keep it in stock.
Cutting it, how tough is it or difficult to cut?
Scissors or a X-Acto knife, very easy.
Easy, and it becomes a nice clean cut, nice clean edge, and you can really...
You don't need massive tools. There's no waste, and there's no messy cleanup afterwards.
If people want to find out more information about InstaTrim, where can they go to check it out?
We can go to InstaTrim.com.
That sounds great. We'll put the links in the description below so you guys can go check this out. But this is one of the clean finishing pieces here if you want to make that bathroom or that kitchen area look really nice.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.